Problem there, oh my people. I hear say they don't beat a 17-year-old boy to death, and this one they happen inside Kenya. And what did this boy do? I hear say this boy go jump enter inside girls' hostel. And based on what I hear, now 5 of them go. I don't know behind their girlfriend. They won't go visit. I mean they won't go look naked girls. But as they go there on no girls now, so they see boys now. They all of them para. They start to they shout. And out of everything what happened, all of them even escape. Only this one guy, now I know see will escape. Now there then these girls join hands together and they beat these guys. So they die. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
In Kigoma, that is in Githunguri constituency in Kiambu County, have commenced investigations into how Agathirinis boys high school student was murdered on Wednesday night at the neighboring Kamodhai Girls High School. The 17-year-old Form 4 student is said to have been part of 6 male students who were spotted at one of the dormitories of Kamodhai Girls School in the night. The girls are said to have raised an alarm at the sighting of the boys and allegedly attacked them. 5 of the boys managed to escape unhurt. Among the pieces under investigation by the police is the circumstances under which the male students left their school and gained access into a girls' dormitory school. A security firm manager who reported the matter told the police that it was not easy for the company guards to identify the intruders since none of them was dressed in school uniform. The body is currently lying at the Kigoma level 4 mortuary awaiting a post-mortem examination.
Now they see. Now school they send you say make you go. Now woman now you go there. You say now you even carry problem for your own self. Sometimes people go there and I go they pity they say hey yeah hey. Sometimes now then they cause their own death. Because of woman I don't know because of the nyash. I been now your girlfriend you won't go see. I dey very certain say this girlfriend now ain't go know what they happen. Because as they say this one happen, nobody don't feel identify the boys who enter the school. But I know say the girlfriend go know the person, but she go just the hide mouth. Because if she go mention him, they feel arrest she self. Plus the guy self will come there, they go pack them. And one thing where the principal come talk wey shock me, she talk say she don't know. She dey surprised say the student get access inside the school. It be like say this principal no dey work. Why be say but the school people there's a big fly fence plus the boys plus the all of them they fly fence. You can't there they talk say you surprised. Oh no say everybody in school they get checking points. I been a blocking point. That place where we say they always meet their person unless you will no go boarding school. I can't surprise say this principal now when they claim say he surprised say this person fit fly. But anyway, this guy in don't die. Me I don't know what I want to talk now. Rest in peace. Now I go talk to him. But talk I don't they talk him. Jungle justice, you know they acceptable. Person jump at least enough for just arrest the guy, carry him, go give him to the matron or principal. Now can't decide now say now won't beat him. I beg for the whole school now. Who the one who accountable? Because to me now, no be one person beat this guy. There are plenty way beat him. So now unless they go arrest everybody for the whole school. Because this one self, the matter even there summer. To me now, what is the guy fine? Now I see, but you no supposed reach the dead side. Anyways, my people, now this matter now I hear. Now I make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. We hear say one woman don't commit suicide because say waiting her husband cheat on her, and because of that one she decide to give up the ghost. Say she no one day inside this life again. And this one where they happen, we hear say na from Ghana. I don't know say Ghana woman. Ona don't decide say ona one they die for man. And based on information what I get, no be today this man don't they cheat on this woman. This man don't they cheat, and I hear say na so the woman go they want. Say stop to they cheat. To this one way they do, it they hurts me. I go into depression. I go kill myself. Up or not, this man no listening. The man see they cheating. Not knowing say this the way this woman they talk, she mean am. When me I think say by now she don't pack her load, leave the marriage until come decide say she won't leave this world for the man. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
Information gathered by the EIB Network Central Regional Correspondent Yabwe Jan reveals that the deceased committed the act out of alleged extramarital affairs by her husband. According to residents in the area, she had told her husband that she was going through trauma and will end her life as a result of his extramarital affairs. True to her words on Wednesday, the 20th of October 2021, around 5:30 p.m., she committed the act in the absence of her husband. A co-tenant who gave her name as Forgive Aproko narrated that the deceased locked herself in the room before committing the act, adding that he had to take a carpenter to break her door where her lifeless body was found hanging on the ceiling fan. Forgive Aproko explained that the deceased husband was then called and a report was then made to the Kaswa police, who came to convey the body to the mortuary.
Hey! I beg now so love don't reach now. I don't know say love don't high so then now people don't they die. because of another person. And this one now when you die, reason this thing, now you go even lose. Because this man will die for, in fact, 3 months too long. This man go continue to follow that side chick be say you kill yourself for. In fact, if you not even to take 6 months, this man go marry that person. Now, so who you can they do? Because look, this what the man they cheat on you. Your sense no tell you okay, oh, I no fit stand this thing. Make I carry my children, come out. All your mind they tell you now, make it they want the man, make it they want the man. So tell you even they use your mouth, they tell and say you go commit suicide. I beg, which kind of rubbish mentality be this? And this whole death now, waiting can be the essence. Because as you die, it no mean say you go change the man. It no mean say the man now go come say okay, you want to Reverend Father because say you don't die for him. No, he go still continue in waywardness. And now the children, I mean, they even pity. Because who won't take care of these children? Last now, this man go marry that side chick, and this side chick now will start to the beat and manhandle these children. Now you go there heaven, they cry, say, had I known. In which had you known now, you stay. Wait, okay, oh fine, I can't stop. Pack your load. I be even carry this man, go court. Last, they will tell us, okay, making they take care of the children and your house rent, and you go even enjoy them. You go find another person to go love. Now you can't decide, say, you want kill yourself. Say you dey depressed to the extent of you killing yourself. I don't know. Sometimes I dey believe say some kind of juju dey involved. Because I know they certain say person wey dey in the right senses go live in children. To me, even they someone selfish. I go just say rest. You dey someone selfish. Because make we look this whole matter. She no think about. She no even think about her kids. Say these kids, how they want to survive without her. She no look all those ones. Her own na the love where they pursue her. Now she won't choose. Anyways, me I go talk say rest in peace to you. You don't die. Nothing will I go fit talk again. But make which woman now for this our generation go decide say one key person. This woman love I never see the type before. Anyways, my people now here I go take break on this matter. Make us stay tuned for our next story.